Now then everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're keeping well. So today is bench day, making a bench. It's been a while. Today though I'm doing something a little bit different to what I normally do with benches. It'll be easier if I just show you this very basic picture. So just on my whiteboard. So owl, big wing as a backrest, seat, and then support posts there. So I have a length of milled larch I've got off Wavy Wood sawmill. Thanks very much, Nick. So that's going to be the main wing backrest, and then I've got these timbers in place now. So we'll carve this out at an angle coming down. I think it's about 40 centimeters off the floor, what will be the bottom of the seat. Then I'll put in a chunky, probably 80 mil seat going across to the other section there. And what I'm going to do is, I think the first thing I'll do is we'll get this backrest notched out there. Get this notched out, so we'll get the seat, we'll get the backrest put in place. I'll have to, just so I know where I'm taking out from the back. And then once that basic backrest is in place there, then I can see what I'm going to do with proportions with the owl on this side, where everything needs to go, and then that'll be the easiest way of going about it, I think. So yeah, that's the plan. It'll probably take me the next day or two to get that sorted out. So yeah, I'm happy being doing a bench again. So thought we'll get this done, so it's ready for the weekend, because next week I've got to do a good size commission piece, which I'm looking forward to. So yeah, right, I'll get my chainsaw trousers on, I'll get you on the stand, and see how it turns out. See you somewhere. Hello, right, job done. The SD card was full at some point, so hopefully I've not lost anything. You will have found out before now anyway, so let's see. Anyway, let's have a quick look, shall we? What do you think? Got a little sad face, sad owl is sad. I think it looks nice. Let's see, just got the wing down this side, all painted up. A little bit further away. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think it turned out alright. What do you reckon? Yeah, I say I've done something a bit different for me. I don't normally do this sort of pattern, but I think because it's quite a big owl to what I normally do, I figured, well, I might as well do some big sort of feather pattern on there. But no, I think that looks nice. Well, I would say that I'm biased, but yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments anyway. Only positive though. Thank you very much. What am I doing next? Oh, so next week I'll be doing the Victorian sort of style man with his top hat and tails. So that's life size. So that should be interesting. And then after that it would just be the usual sort of stock, I think, for a bit. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks very much.